Yeah,
I
buddy,
don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper. And somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want
I don't know. But give the chef my thanks. Sure. Yeah, buddy, that's my meat. You're eating my meat from the past and the future. I don't know how it is, but that's my meat. And I'm glad you like it, though. All right, let's see here. Hello. Oh, nothing. What is up there? What are you two staring at? You and him. You're both staring at the ceiling. What about you? Nah,
Merong
you fell with a fork at night.
keychain.
Somebody arrest this man.
Palitan na natin yung keychain ko muna.
Hey, what is
I don't do that sound.
But what's thinking of There's a picture of my phone.
Do it.
Yeah, this is the first one. Okay.
No.
Didn't say anything to that. Oh, that's he's not working here anymore. Well, that's see you here on your computer, but I think it will be more handy to have them near all the time. Okay, I'll check it. Check it out. All right, this. All right, let's see. What's our current task? Serve clients on the bar, clean the floors, take the trash out. Got it. All right. What's this? Menu. Hi, hello, sir. How may I help you? Oh, it's you again. You didn't speak to me. What about you? Hey, secretary is here to be useful. And you are the first one that I see. No, he's the first time. Correct. I think you got some tasks from our manager. Okay, what's my task again? Okay, clean the floors. Let's do that. Is this mom? Mom. No, give me clean the floor. Dirty floor. Yes, clean, please. Alright, I like this, dude. I love this kind of stuff. I feel like I got a new family. You know, like you start working, you see all the people so happy, the music playing, and things are happy in you, dude. Hey, where'd you come from? Hello. Yeah, hey, I like to order a cheeseburger, fries, and a bowl of water. Maybe cake in a hurry. No wonder it's been accepted. I'm trying to make it fit. Everyone will be served on a first come, first served basis. Don't worry. No, I think it's some kind of I got it. Thank you. I have no idea that fries, burger,
Mac and cheese.
soda. I wasn't paying attention. All right, clean the dirty floor.
Giddy!
Gile!
Look at that. Oh, that's so satisfying. Okay, take the trash out. Ooh. How do I? Oh, I need to put this back. I need to find the trash. Here, put this back. Okay, trash right here. Oh, open this. Dude, the other door you just push. Okay, do I need to open it or? All right, does that count? No. Oh, I need a dumpster key. Oh, I guess that makes sense, dude. Figure I just threw it at it and it was teleported in there. No, that makes a lot more sense. Oh, computer. I don't want to mess with anything. I don't want to get fired on my first day. Hey, buddy, you got a key? Firstly, ask customers on the bar. Maybe they want to eat something. Then clear the floors and take trash out. All's in your notebook. Okay, I'm sorry, but the dumpster's closed. Do you have keys for it? Nope. But other waiters should have. Ask him to share it with you. Okay. They didn't stand a chance. This game now, I think they're getting revenge for all the killing I did to them in the park.
Hello again. How do I get in? It's simple. Look for the key under the mat. You came alone. Sarah is not with you? No. She insisted that I go without her. Her father has health problems, and she stayed to look after him.
Oh, what's that?
You'll get some great rest. Away from the city. Yeah, I hope so too. Thanks for letting me hang out at your
Baka
house.
7-Eleven ka naman.
No problem, dude. If anything,
Colgate.
I'm
Mommy!
I'll be there in a couple of days.
Colgate.
Go
Is your
get
house? You just live in the forest like this? Alright, holy, a bunch of flyers, buddy. You live
Vroom, vroom.
like this in here. Oh, this is nice in here. Oh, what just? I just snapped my neck.
Being a kid at the doormat was a bad idea. Apparently, some teenagers were hanging out here recently.
Kuya, may pangalan ba sa likod?
Get mad.
Wala.
Someone else.
They wrote
Pangalan Gile?
eight
Yeah,
pizza
Gilly
and
Atavis.
locked the door and left.
Move that big
Collect the garbage.
I'm very bored.
This is me. I'm pocketing this stuff and putting it
Masarap
in
niya
the
isuot.
trunk of my car.
Hindi ko lang alam kung maririnig ko yung ano. Mabubukas ako ng parcel. Ayan. Kakadating lang nito. So, kilala na nga kami ng rider. Kaya alam niya kung kailan ako nandito. sa kanya idadala yung mga parcel or if may deliver ako. So, itong in-order ko na to ay ayan, mga helmet holder. Ayan. Para yung helmet namin is hindi na nakakalat. Medyo marami na rin kasi kaming helmet. Lalo na ako. Kaka-order ko lang ng isa. Ayan. Ganito siya. Ayan. Kasi parang grabe, nahihilig na talaga ako sa motor mga moms. Hindi ko na, ang cravings ko talaga ngayon puro sa motor. Hindi naman talaga ako mahilig bumili ng mga makeup. Kaya, yun, ayan, ganyan siya. Ganyan. Dito mo ilalagay yung helmet. So, napakamura lang nito. Tapos, ayan, mukhang matibay, ang tigas. So, link sa comment section. Kasi pag may pasok, naging tabakan niyang hagdan. And ito yung isa, tinatry ko na ikabit para makapagsabit na ako ng helmet.
Don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away.
Para hindi na siya lagi nakakalat.
Both on the same way.
Tapos, so ganyan yung magiging itsura niya mga moms ko yan. Nakasabit lang siya dyan. Kasi yan lang din yung available na space para makapagsabit ako ng helmet. And I think I have 3 bulky helmet na isasabit dyan.
It's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on the same way? Nothing breaks like clearly when there's no line. Best friend tell me someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try. Oh, why, would I, when you were barely even mine? Oh, why, would I?
I should've known from the start that you were a waste of an open bar tab. Whipping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing breaks like clearly when there's love on the line. Best friend told me someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try.
You're out there riding away, but is there room on the wave? Don't want a second thought, babe. I'll stay in mine. I wanna give you the take. There ain't no fixing the break. Nothing left I could say. Ha ha ha. Nothing breaks like clearly when there's love on the line. Best friend told us someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try.
hindi ka naman nag-aano sa DSWD, kapatulan mo yung ganyan.
Hindi nga ako din na binibigyan ng
Ang
DSWD.
mapatuloy sa ganyan, yung mga nasa ano na ng DSWD, yung mga kumukuha na.
Hintayin mo ako, Adam. Tingin ko nga dito, papadala natin kay Tito Bing. Is it hurt?
May lapis dun sa bahay. Hindi ko lang pagpasa.
The marble that is gone away. Every stroke of a brush, everything you touch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburn of a heartbreak crash, is a rush. Feel the rush. Painting free, follow, lead the muses, let's go follow. Colors layer, you're a sculpture of burning Negroes, riches that on the sea, turn and living into art. Next to you and your patience is a beauty's craft. It's wonderful, it's beautiful. You know who you were a year ago. Oh, paint your portrait as you grow. Every stroke of brush, every finger snatch is a rosy cheek of a love-struck flush, is a sunburn wing of a heartbreak crash, is a rush. Feel the rush. You're a painting made of color. Colors layer, I live art, I breathe art. I myself, I am art.
So, nakauwi na ako ng bahay. Ito yung binili ko kanina. Konti lang naman, mga worth 400 pesos lang. Ito sabon. Hindi naman maamoy kaya sinasama ko na. Kalimutan ko yung Fabcon. Dalawang ito lang talaga yung bibilin ko doon. At saka sugar. Tapos bumili na rin ako nito, lalo na and isa lang kasi hanggang bukas na lang yung school. Tapos candies. Yan. Yan lang. Wala na. Yan lang naman yung binili ko. Ito kabili na ako. Mix lang. Mix veggies.
All coastal regions and reaches of enclosed and transported area.
Hi mga moms! Oh my God. Kakain ako ngayon. So, bali pas 1 na yata. 1 PM na. Kasi, hindi ako nagluto today dahil cheat day namin. Si ate, ang gusto niya baon is yung cup noodles na uwi ni Tito Bing from Japan. So, yun yung dala niya. So, hindi ako nagsaing. So, hindi ko naalala. Walang kanin. Tapos, bumili ako ng siomay dun sa mga titas namin sa school. Ayan. 20 pesos ng siomay. So, cheat day ito na lang. Mamaya na ako magluluto ng ulam. So, ngayon, nagsaing muna ako kasi wala kaming food. Wala kaming rice pala. Ayan. So, magkakain ako ng rice. So, mga ma'am, at ganito. Ayan. This is my clothes behind the big jacket. Press ko lang siya mga ma'am. Ayan, saka ako magsusuot ng jacket. Let's go!
I don't wanna call you later. You're tearing my heart up like it's paper, and somehow you turn to a stranger. We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page.
So, yung brunch ko, naging pang-dinner na. Joke! Pang-dinner na siya mga kasi hindi ko talaga naalala wala kaming kanin. Kaya ayan. Sabihin niya, hindi na ako kumakain. Cheat day. Ayan. Bawal mo na basher mga ma'am siya. Cheat day lang. Ayan. Upfront cam kasi ta. Ayan, ito. Ito yung binili ko, spicy. Tapos, konting rice lang. Ganyan lang naman ako kumain, konting rice. So, dapat brunch. Pero hindi na nangyari yung brunch. Mukhang ano na. Drunch. Drunch na. Or, ewan. Tuloy dinner na. Charot. So, tara, let's eat!
Start that you were a waste of an open bar tab, wiping my feet on the doormat. There's so much of you that I just can't leave. Yeah, nothing makes it clear when there's no line. I spent time with someone that I don't even like. There's nothing left to fix if you don't want me to try.
Ayan na mga ma'ams. Kung kailan susundo ako, saka umuulan. OMG. Kami, for the kapote tayo. Tapos itong helmet na lang na, hindi naman masyadong malakas yung ulan. Ayan. Ayan, for the kapote. Para masundo natin si ate.
Yung suot ko.
Ang ganda.
Pero suot ko kanina eh. Nakumain ka ba?
Yeah. Ubos.
Hindi mo nga dinala eh. Sinalimutan mo eh.
Ano sinabi?
Sabi sa'yo, yun ang galing mo.
Oh.
Ikaw lang yung grade 10, hindi siya lalaban?
Ha?
Hindi siya lalaban?
Ako pinili niyo ng Ruby. Tapos
Yung
lang
Ruby?
CGE.
Eh, kung lagi kang nananalo eh.
Nag-skip pa ako ng training ko eh.
Ha?
Dalawang beses.
Galingan mo. Nadaig mo yung grade 10.
Bango na, kuya.
throughout the episode, Harvey has been recounting the events that led to the creation of the joke, each time changing things, adding plot points, making Charlie leads, creating the joke. But that doesn't come out. He's fully lost it, all in the puzzle. Which is even seen on 2018 on Real Bible Stuff, which is basically just an hour of this writing material podcast. Nah, you're not. And what you say, that says it all. This appearance made headlines immediately. So, of course not providing one. In the previous, even after this in himself, Cupid means each part involved familiar with the set. Cupid means things from pretty rare. It starts mainly subconscious with nasty propaganda. Before it tells its father Steve Watson. This bizarre cryptid is just on planet, quite nothing in there. It's clear that Venom is not human being. Only partner. This is the list. Is Sarah Tracks in all of Hollywood, an organization that struck fear into the hearts of any.
Dinner is ready. Ayan. Haluto na tayo. Simpleng dinner. Simpleng luto lang ng giniling. Let's eat!